twende obebaza olwa innovation gye musoboire okolera essomero lino. I was once a student at Makerere University because I did my administrative law from Makerere University. So when I see you, I can see my own people. So I want to say you are most welcome to Busoga, you are most welcome to Buyende, you are most welcome to
vegetable shots.
When we received the district, 2010, we had the 8 first grades. The whole district, imagine. We moved slowly, and last year we had 292 first grades. We shall have 500. And next year, since we have received furniture, which has been a problem, pit latrine, which has been a problem, for sure, for you, we shall have 1,000.
Mutuwaire desks n'okutuyamba ku kutooya. Kutooya eyo n'ogisima lwali lutalo. Ayi mutuwaire omukisa ogugikozesa. Mwebale irala. Nayongera n'okwe
person wa Mwanga tukwaniriza ino.
We are alumni from the Mastercard Foundation Scholars Program at Makerere University, but we now call ourselves the Alumni Foundation. Mastercard yatufuna twafuna scholarship twasoma aye ekimu kumpisa deba tusigamu era erife. Give back is a culture that defines us. Buli mwaka tukola kino. Era before we choose any place, we ask our fellow alumni to submit places of their choice where they would wish us to give back. And that is when the selection begins.
To educate and empower their children, especially when a man is absent. The mothers, thank you very much for everything you're doing. I am an example of somebody that grew up in the, first of all, in a father that is in educating a child.
Nti yakyakubonera ku mumbeere y'okuba nti baba wa ayinza okubaawo ayenga azirayo mu kusoma kw'omwana.
For the mothers, I know this is your experience.
Nti bamama bangi mugire nga kino mu
Encouragement to the mothers.
Aye kyabagumya nakyo.
Do not finish your energy on a man.
Tomalira amaanyi ku musaadha.
Finish all your energy on
Irabe Senti Kizito. Nakoba nti mu bubi wetwola n'amaanyi. Nekyo. Bala Abaganda bo bakoba ati nti nkoba za mbogo. Bikola ditya. Detoola donka mu bwina. Eri agama ko embogo nti nenda kutoola mu Kiina. Mbasaba tusomesa abaana. Ekigambo kyonka oba ekikola kyonka ekiga